Our today's lesson is operation on functions. Operations on functions are similar to operation on numbers. Adding, subtracting, and multiplying two or more functions together will result in another function. Dividing two functions together will also result in another function if the denominator or divisor is not the zero function. Lastly, composing two or more functions will also produce another function. Let us have the first operation, addition. Let f and g be functions. So their sum is denoted by f plus g of x, and that is equal to f of x plus g of x. Let's have an example. Given the function f of x is equals to x plus 5 and g of x as 2x minus 1, let us find the sum of f of x and g of x. So our first step is to write the function, which is f plus g of x, and that is equal to f of x plus g of x. The next step is to substitute the value of f of x and g of x. We have x plus 5 as our f of x. So therefore, we have x plus 5 plus the value of g of x is 2x minus 1. So let us substitute 2x minus 1 to g of x. The next step is to perform the indicated operation. So how do we perform that operation? We have to combine like terms. So in this given expression, what is our like term? So we have x and 2x. So x plus 2x, we have 3x. The next like terms is 5 and negative 1. So 5 plus negative 1 is positive 4. So therefore, f plus g of x is equal to 3x plus 4. And 3x plus 4 is the sum of x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. Next, we have the subtracting functions. So again, let f and g be our functions. We have f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So let us have our f of x as x plus 5 and our g of x is 2x minus 1. So let us find their difference. So we have f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Our first step is to substitute the value of f of x and g of x. So for f of x, we have x plus 5. And for g of x, we have 2x minus 1. Now we have to perform the operation, which is subtraction. Again, in this time, we have to combine like terms. So our like terms is x and 2x. So x minus 2x is negative x. Then we have 5 and negative 1. So 5 minus negative 1 is positive 6. So therefore, f minus g of x is equal to negative x plus 6. Negative x plus 6 is the difference of x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. Let us proceed with the next operation, multiplication. So again, let f and g be our functions. So we have f multiplied by g of x is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x. So given the function f of x is equal to x plus 5 and g of x as 2x minus 1, let us find their product. So we have f multiplied by g of x is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x. Let us substitute the values of f of x and g of x. We have x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 1. And then, let us multiply this binomials. So we have x multiplied by 2x, we have 2x squared. Then we have x multiplied by negative 1, we have negative x. Then 5 multiplied by 2x is positive 10x. Then last, we have 5 multiplied by negative 1, we have negative 5. And then combine like terms, we have 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. So therefore, the product of f and g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 is the product of x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. Our last operation is division. So we have the f and g as our function. So if we have to find the quotient of these two functions, we have f divided by g of x that is equal to f of x divided by g of x. It is also denoted as f all over g of x is equal to f of x all over g of x. So let us have the two function as f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. And our g of x is 2x minus 1. Let us find the quotient of these two functions. So first step is to substitute the values of f of x and g of x. So we have 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 all over 2x minus 1. So how do we find the quotient? As you have noticed, our numerator is 2x squared plus 9x minus 5, and that is a quadratic expression. So in this kind of situation, we have to factor your numerator. So the factors of 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 is x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. So we will write the factors of 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 as x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 1 all over 2x minus 1. So now, in this case, we have to look for the like terms. So if we are going to divide two functions, again, we have to factor. Kung merong pwedeng i-factor sa numerator or sa denominator, ifa-factor muna natin.
And then, kapag wala na naman ng dapat i-factor, that is the time wherein hahanapin natin yung like terms. At dito sa sitwasyon natin na to, ang like terms natin sa numerator at sa denominator ay 2x minus 1. So, we can now divide. So, x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1, that is equal to x plus 5. Now, bakit x plus 5? Because 2x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 is 1. So, therefore, the result is x plus 5. So, therefore, f divided by g of x is equal to x plus 5. X plus 5 is the quotient of 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 and 2x minus 1.